Hello, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to save a picture or how to export a PNG file or a JPEG file as a PDF file. Okay, the first one is we need to search the file. Like here, I am on the desktop menu. I am on the desktop and we see we have a file, a picture file .png. To save this as a PDF, just right click and choose quick action and we choose create PDF. Okay, the PDF is automatically saved and prompt for our custom name. We just add the file name and we can open it with PDF preview like this one, WPS Office. That's it, how we can export or save a picture as a PDF file on macOS. This OS is macOS Sonoma. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.